So you are the patient who has lost one tooth and thinks it's fine because I can chew well and there is no problem. But you're not right. Let me take you through what happens if you even have one missing tooth. When you lose a tooth, not necessarily the front one which you're conscious about, but even a back molar where you have now a missing gap between adjacent teeth. What happens is that these adjacent teeth start drifting, tilting, like books on a shelf which have lost support. It's called the domino effect. You also have problems with chewing because the opposing arch tooth starts drifting in the direction of the missing tooth, and you will have chewing problems and your jaw starts adjusting. All this not in a good way. Yes, just one missing tooth can make your face look older. And smiling and speaking with that visible gap, it can affect your self-confidence. All that misalignment can lead to a lot of wear down of your teeth structure, giving rise to jaw pain, a lot of TM joint problems, as well as sagging and wrinkles on your face. The good news, there are solutions like implants, bridges, and more. We can restore your smile at Opus Dental Specialities and also give you the self-confidence you require. So if you have a missing tooth, call us at Opus and we are there to help you.